Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list information for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, before we get into our new clearance and penny list information for this week, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know that I have already uploaded several other DG videos for you all already. We've got new coupons, we've got new glitches, run glitch deals, plus on Saturday I did upload the full glitch list for you all. So if you missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about the clearance and penny list. Now, unfortunately, for this week at DG, we do not have any new clearance updates so far, but I will go ahead and give you guys a little heads up. We have some really awesome sales going on this week, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have some fantastic deals to share with you all. And with that, we're going to go ahead and roll right into our penny list for this week at Dollar General. But for any of you new penny shoppers out there, remember that the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ever ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, pick them up, scan them with your Dollar General app, and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If the item scans and the price shows up 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now, last week, I did get a few questions and comments about the Dollar General penny shopping policy. I thought that I had that linked for you all in the description box underneath the video. However, that link was incorrect. Dollar General has since changed around the website, and now that link just takes you to the regular couponing policy. However, I did track down the penny sales policy from the Dollar General handbook, so that's what you're seeing on your screen here. There are 2 slides. So you guys can take a screenshot and save this into your phone. I have also posted this over on the community tab. And if you would like for me to send you just the full page layout picture of the penny policy, just send me an email. Let me know that that's what you're looking for, and I will email you a copy. All right. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, and all of that information is always in the description box of every video. Now, while we're on the topic of the description box underneath all of my videos, if you guys have never checked that out, make sure that you do that. It's a little arrow, it's a little drop down box, and there's all kinds of information that I leave underneath every video. Everything from rebate apps to where you can find coupons, where you can buy coupons. I also have websites linked and listed, as well as videos that I've uploaded in the past that might help beginner couponers. So make sure that you check that out if you haven't already. Now let's go ahead and talk about the penny list for this week at Dollar General. First up, we have the Father's Day mugs and cups. They're going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, July the 11th. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any pictures of the Father's Day mugs or cups, but they are pretty self-explanatory from what I've seen. They all have little Father's Day sayings on them. So here is a list of all the ones that are included with the UPC code. So be on the lookout. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And I also wanted to go ahead and point out that if you're looking for Father's Day stuff, you might want to stop by Walgreens. Now, this was last week at my store. They had the Father's Day items marked down to 80% off, and I'm sure that has dropped since then. So these are some really good deals on the cups, mugs, and then they also had some little grill accessories too. So if you're looking for Father's Day items for next year, maybe a birthday present, Christmas present, who knows? If you're looking for any of this stuff, make sure that you check out Walgreens as well. Now, back to DG, we also have our graduation items going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, July the 11th. And we do have some pretty cute items included in this category. Everything from these cute little rubber duckies to stuffed animals. We have signs, cups, mugs, and I also wanted to remind you guys that we do have party supplies included in this category. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any pictures to share with you all of the graduation party supplies, but be on the lookout for paper plates, cups, anything that says graduation. I mean, you can't beat paper plates and cups for just 1 penny. So again, make sure you're looking high, look low, look everywhere you go. Check those end caps and all of the corners of the store. Of course, if you score, come back and let me know about it. I absolutely love hearing that you guys are out there grabbing up some amazing deals. And like I said before, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have a ton of deals that I cannot wait to share with you all. I mean, I can't even put out these videos fast enough. So you guys make sure that you have those notifications turned on. We are doing deal after deal after deal this week. It is going to be a great week at Dollar General. So like I said, stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.